Curatalent is the freelancing platform for entertainment industry professionals. Let's see how to register on Curatalent platform. There are 4 simple and easy steps to complete. 1. Create your account. 2. Create your business profile. 3. Create your business page. 4. Choose your subscription category and add charges for your service. Let's create your account first. All you have to do is add your name, email, mobile number and your birthday. We do not show this detail in our website and not share with anyone. Mobile number and email are for send notifications. You will receive a one-time passcode into your mobile as well as into your email address. Once you create an account, you can create your business profile as a talent or service provider. You may also create an agency profile if you are running an event management business. Enter your well-known public name in the industry or your business name. Birthday is for verify your age as a legal requirement. You can showcase all your business and professional detail in one place. Important part is adding a brief description about you or your business. Don't forget to include your experiences as it is important to your customers. Click help link and answer few questions to automatically generate a description. Let's share this page on Facebook. Your customers will know you are available to book on Curatalent platform. Let's choose your business category. All of these categories have free subscriptions. No credit cards needed. You can upgrade to paid subscription anytime you want. Select your service type and choose one of the categories. You may subscribe up to 3 categories later. Subscription added. Now you should create packages for your services, so your customers can book a package. Let's create your first package. Packages are service blocks. For example, if you are a singer, your prices are different when you are participating to a private event and for a big stage show. It is important to describe what your customers get for the price. They can decide which option is best suit for them. You can create as many packages as you want with different price options. If you have many businesses or are providing more than one service, you may subscribe for more categories. It helps your customers to search and find you easily, which means more business for you. Remember to create service packages for all your subscriptions. Your business page is the most important part. Let's see how to customize your business page. Click Update Page button on your dashboard or page link on your profile page. Business page has been created as a part of your registration. You may include all your business details such as your services, your mission statement, your professional achievements, a video to showcase your talents or business, your work portfolio and all your social media page links. When you editing your page, you'll see blue dotted lines around the editable elements. Just click on it to edit the text or change image. If you don't want any text field or heading, you can just clear the text and save. Some sections has add buttons. It means you can add more parts into that section. For example, you can add more service descriptions, many portfolio items as much as you want. You may showcase your professional achievements and awards. Add a photo, nice and brief description to add more values to your page. If you don't want any of these sections, you can simply hide the entire section from your page. Just make it disable by clicking Enable, Disable switch. Adding a video to your page is very easy. You can embed your video in YouTube, Vimeo or Dailymotion sites. Go to your video, click on Share, choose Embed, copy codes, and paste codes in Update Video text box. Boom! It's done. Next, you may add all your social media page links. Just copy, paste links and save. All your change will automatically publish as you update them. Exit from page edit mode to view how others see your page.